Catering processes approximately 38 million meal and beverage services every year. Getting the equipment unloaded, washed and redistributed throughout the centre calls for precision planning, teamwork and quality control. This training will introduce you to the unloading, sorting, washing and clean equipment distribution procedures that occur in order for the Q Catering Wash Department to best service our customers. Once an aircraft has been stripped of its catering equipment, the used equipment is returned to the catering centre to be either disposed of or cleaned and reused. It is the marshal's role to sort this equipment and distribute it within the wash area. The marshal will load carts filled with equipment onto the cart lifter, raising the cart lifter so the person feeding equipment onto the belt is able to reach the equipment without bending. The feeder's job is to make sure that equipment and or rubbish is placed onto the belt, leaving room between items and ensuring time is allowed for sorting by fellow employees further down the belt. All employees in the wash area are required to wear a hairnet tied under the chin, a white coat over their clothes, and safety shoes. When feeding the belt on the machines, team members are also required to wear safety glasses. Employees in the wash area are required to wear another form of personal protective equipment. Can you spot what that might be? That's right, disposable gloves. The area around where you stand when working on the belt should be set up when you begin your shift or when you return from a break. This might include a bag for the linen and cutlery baskets, and even a stand if you're not able to reach the belt properly. When the belt is started, dishes, cutlery, trays, linen and other equipment is taken from the top belt, placed in receptacles around the work position, for example linen in a linen bag, or the equipment is placed on the washing belt below. If you have to stop the belt for any reason, the red emergency stop buttons are activated by pushing on them hard. Each catering centre has its own system for disposing of waste in the wash area. Some centres require their staff to take their waste and operate the machinery themselves. Other centres such as Melbourne remove the bins from the end of the belt and replace them with an empty bin. The full bins are taken away by the area cleaner. Please ask your leading hand or supervisor which one of these systems applies in your centre. There are also other bins in the wash area. These are to dispose of broken glass and china only. When the contents of the carts have been emptied onto the wash belt, the carts are removed from the lifter and pushed into the cart wash area. No more than 2 carts at a time are to be moved unrestrained in any part of the building. Can you name the PPE worn by the team member working in the cart wash? The answer is gloves, hat, white coat, safety shoes and safety goggles. All carts and trolleys full of ovens are washed in this area using either the cart wash machine or a gurney. Check with your leading hand or supervisor to see which applies in your centre. Clean equipment can come out of the cart wash area or from the machines depending on how it is cleaned. Clean dishes are placed in their appropriate storage receptacles. Clean carts are then pushed to their appropriate storage area. Question: how many carts may be pushed by one person without a webbed cart restraint? That's right, 2 carts only, regardless if they are half or full size. Clean equipment is packed away and either relocated to another area or packed away further by present team members. Some of the equipment can be very heavy. Remember, if it is too heavy, ask for help. The present team members are responsible for packing some of the clean equipment away and performing some duties in the cutlery room. Some equipment requires further washing and is soaked for a period of time in the soaker tanks and then it is re-washed. Should this person be attempting to lift this crate of dishes on their own? No, they should get someone to assist them or empty some of the dishes out of the crate. All injuries must be reported to your leading hand or supervisor. Report all near misses to your leading hand or supervisor. If you see something that you believe is unsafe, report it directly to your leading hand, supervisor, or health and safety representative. Or complete one of these forms.